Filmora 13 now includes an enhanced screen recorder option that allows you to capture both your screen and webcam simultaneously, along with system and microphone audio. This versatile tool is perfect for recording games, tutorials, YouTube videos, and more. Take your video editing to the next level. Download and install the latest version of Filmora using the link in the description and start creating like a pro. Filmora's user-friendly interface and powerful tools make it the perfect choice for all your editing needs. Once you've got it set up, don't forget to watch our next video where we'll build on what you've learned and help you unlock even more creative possibilities. Let's start editing. In this latest update, Wondershare has given Filmora's screen recorder a significant boost. It's not just a video editor anymore. It's now a powerful screen recording tool. You'll find the new screen recorder feature right on the Filmora 13 start window. Just give it a click to get started. With the updated screen recorder, you have the flexibility to customize your recording settings, adjust your screen size, select your preferred microphone, and even choose which speakers to record from. If you want to include yourself in the video, Filmora 13 offers a camera option for that as well. Once you set everything up, click the red button on the right side of the screen recorder to begin your recording. When you're ready to stop, simply press the F9 key on your keyboard. The recording will finish, and your video will be saved in your media library, ready to be added to your project. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow guides. Remember to download Filmora using the link in the description and start exploring all the amazing features it offers. And be sure to check out the next video in this series to continue your editing journey. Until next time, happy editing!